Dun-dun-dun-dun. Hi guys, my name is Eugene here, and today I'm going to talk about static. So as you can see here, there's a very bad traffic jam. So this is considered as static. So what is static in physics? So now we have a microphone stand over here, and to consider this in static, we have to consider the forces. So for the horizontal forces, actually there's no forces acting on it, so it is 0 Newton. For vertical forces, there's the weight which represent the whole weight of the microphone stand, and also three reaction forces which acting opposite direction of the weight. So to sum them out, the weight have to minus out the first reaction force and the second reaction force and the third reaction force, and actually equals to 0 again. So we can consider this microphone stand in static. Thank you.